SEMrush Analytics Review, watch before using. Welcome to this SEMrush Analytics Review. Today we're diving into SEMrush's key features so you can see exactly what it has to offer. Links to the product are included in the description, so feel free to check those out at any time. SEMrush is a powerful all-in-one tool for digital marketers, created with SEO professionals, content marketers, and online businesses in mind. It's not just a keyword research tool, it's an entire suite for tracking and analyzing a brand's online presence. With SEMrush, you can dive deep into keyword analytics, allowing you to uncover which keywords your competitors are ranking for and which are trending in your niche. It offers advanced backlink analysis, helping you understand your site's authority and discover high-quality backlink opportunities to boost your rankings. Another standout feature is the Site Audit tool, which provides a detailed report of your website's health. It checks for issues that could harm your search rankings, like broken links, slow load times, and duplicate content, so you can take immediate action to optimize your site's performance. SEMrush also offers a unique competitor analysis feature, where you can compare your website's metrics against competitors. This includes traffic insights, popular pages, and social media engagement, all of which are invaluable for developing a more effective strategy. Additionally, SEMrush has a content marketing toolkit, which is ideal for identifying trending topics and improving content readability and SEO value. For those managing paid campaigns, SEMrush's PPC toolkit offers insights on CPC, competition level, and ad copy suggestions. Overall, SEMrush is a robust toolset designed for marketers and businesses aiming to boost their online visibility, keep an eye on competitors, and optimize their SEO and content strategies. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights that'll keep you ahead in the digital marketing game. Your support helps us share more valuable tips with others. Thanks for watching.